The editorial office of Biophysics and Physicobiology introduces a recent article by Seiichiro Hayashi et al., published in March 2026. The phi value analysis has been widely used to analyze the transition state in protein refolding reactions. The phi value is the extent of native structure formation around a mutated residue in the transition state. The residue-based LFER and its generalized QFER, where Q stands for quadratic, also provide residue-specific information phi similar to phi. Here, we demonstrated that the use of amino acid mutations expanded the applicability of residue-based LFER, QFER. Furthermore, we clarified the relationship between residue-based LFER, QFER and the phi analysis and revealed that both phi and phi provided equivalent structural information about the transition state. Two-state slow exchange of the spectrin SH3 domain in acidic solutions is accompanied by large-scale structural changes between the unfolded and folded states. Residue-specific equilibrium and rate constants were determined using HSQC0 and XE-NMR experiments. A combination of local probe measurements and amino acid mutations enabled validation of residue-based linear free energy relationships LFERs in log K versus log K plots.